Hey guys, so I wanted to talk a little bit about editing photos and videos, and I wanted to show you how I do that on my phone. I run 98% of my business from my phone. I rarely use my computer for any of my posts because all of the photos that I take, whether it's workouts or food or my Shakeology or whatever it is, I take those on my phone. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Hopefully you can see my screen here. So my photo stuff is all up here in Picshit. Don't mind my name. So everything that I have that's photo related is in here. And so obviously it's my photos, my videos. PicStitch is pretty popular one for me that I use a lot. Obviously Instagram. Over is an okay app that I can show you. It was one of the very first ones I used to put text on my photos, and I don't really use it much anymore, but it does have some pretty cool features. So that's an option. The ones that I use the most are Rona, and I bought the complete package. So I have Rona Magic, and Rona Collage. I use PicPlay Post quite a bit. Fonto I use a lot for my coach recognition posts because I was able to create a background and then I can add photos and text to that through that particular app. SplitPic is a good one that I just recently started using. It doesn't have the lines like PicStitch does. It just has like the two photos right next to each other. So it doesn't have that big white stripe down the middle, I guess. And it does that naturally. So I like that a lot. And then Boomerang is a new feature from Instagram that several people have started using and I like quite a bit. And you guys can totally play with whatever. I use Canva. They just came out with a mobile app, so I just started using that. But I use Canva when I'm creating images on my computer. I don't really use it a ton from my phone. So I wanted to show you how I also use iMovie. That's how I create a lot of my videos for Beachbody. And so as you can see, I have lots of them, 28 movies in fact, from here. So I wanted to show you a little bit about how I take a bigger video and make it a little bit smaller. So if you go into iMovie, you select movie, and then you can choose like some sort of, actually I need to do this. So I'll just do this live here. So I took my before pictures today. I'm going to select that video and select create movie down at the bottom. Super flattering photo, but I'm going to go ahead and do my before pictures, my post for my before pictures in a video like just did, which I really loved. So I'm going to come through here and just edit this. I'm going to take this part down. I don't need me walking around, so I can start here. I'm going to use the entire thing, basically. So I'll let it play until I don't want it anymore. And then I will split it there, delete the rest, and now I have a 21-second video of me going all the way around, flexing, and showing my befores. So that's done. When I'm done with that, I go up to the upper left-hand corner, I click done, and then I download it to my phone, I save my video, and I always select medium. I don't need it to be amazing. The smaller you choose to save it, the more space you have on your phone. And then that's it. So if I wanted to come in here and edit it again, so somebody just asked about like making things faster, I would come down to this little clock thing down here and you can change the speed of the video. And so I can make it go faster, or I can make it go super slow, which doesn't seem super fun, or whatever. And so I'm just gonna, leave it. I had already saved it on my phone, so it's fine. Okay, so that's how I use iMovie. You can also do similar things with like pick, play, post. And you can just select snippets for your videos. So this one, you know, I just selected a portion of a video for this one. And so if I wanted to preview it, you know, I'm dancing here with Harley, and that was a whole video, a whole workout, I guess I should say, of us working out. And so I just cut it to show a couple of the moves, and then, you know, that was that. Let's see, what else do I use a lot? Rona is super great because of all the text and different things that you can do. But those are the big ones. I'll show you what Rona looks like if you don't have it already. You would just select a picture. So, you know, here's one I posted earlier today. If you wanted it in square shape, you could do that. Phone background, all sorts of different sizes. I usually just leave it in original unless I'm making something for Instagram, which I don't usually edit before I do anyways. You can add text. There's all sorts of different font packs. I've purchased a couple of them, so I don't actually know which ones come with it and which ones are free. But you can change the text. You can write whatever you'd like. You can write whatever you'd like on it. Sorry. And then, you know, you can change that, what size you want it, how you want it to look. You can also add different, you know, icons or whatever you want to do. This is where everybody uses that glitter stuff. So there's all sorts of stuff that you can do with Rona. And then you can just save it to your phone and do whatever you'd like. So those are the big ones that I use. Fonto, Pick, Play, Post, Rona, the entire package, Split Pick, Boomerang, and iMovie. Okay. If you guys have any questions, just let us know. And good luck creating your images.